integral 0 to pi x into sine cube x by 1 plus cos square x into dx. This is also the very important essay question. So same procedure of the solving. First we take that given problem is equals to I. That is, let I is equals to integral 0 to pi x into sine cube x by 1 plus cos square x into dx. And we apply the formula integral 0 to a f of x dx is equals to integral 0 to a f of a minus x into dx. So we apply this formula to the given problem. So this is equals to integral 0 to pi. In place of x we take that pi minus x. So pi minus x into, here a is equal to pi, a minus x, pi minus x into sine cube pi minus x by 1 plus cos square pi minus x into dx. And this is equals to, this equation 1, and this is equals to integral 0 to pi minus x into sine 180 minus x is equal to sine x. That is, sine cube of pi minus x is equal to sine cube x by 1 plus cos square of pi minus x is equals to cos of 180 minus x minus cos x whole square. Again it returns the value cos square x into dx. Equation 2. Sin 180 minus x sin x, cos 180 minus x minus cos x, but whole square minus cos x whole square becomes plus. Therefore the value of I is equals to integral 0 to pi, multiply the two values here. So this is pi sin cube x minus x sin cube x by 1 plus cos square x into dx. So this is equation 2. Now adding both of the equations, therefore 1 plus 2 implies adding the equations 1 and 2. That is, what is the first equation? I, second equation I plus I is equals to first value plus second value. First value is equals to integral 0 to pi x sin cube x by 1 plus cos square x into dx, plus second value integral 0 to pi sin cube x minus x sin cube x by 1 plus cos square x into dx. Now the two integrations have the same limits values, that is, taking the single integration 2I is equals to integral 0 to pi. Also here we have the same denominator, so take LCM 1 plus cos square x. This is x sin cube x plus pi sin cube x minus x sin cube x into dx. Now here into dx. Now here x sin cube x and minus sin cube x gets cancelled. So this is equals to 2I is equal to integral 0 to pi. What is the remaining value here? Pi into sin cube x. So pi into sin cube x by 1 plus cos square x into dx. Now taking the constant before the integration. So this is pi into integral 0 to pi. In place of sin cube x, we take that sin square x into sin x. To take the integration, just we have to convert the values like that. In place of sin cube x, I take that sin square x into sin x into 1 whole by 1 plus cos square x into dx. That is, the value of 2I is equals to pi into integral 0 to pi. Again in place of sin square x, we take 1 minus cos square x into sin x into dx whole by 1 plus cos square x. Now to solve this problem, we take that here cos x is equals to t. So cos x is equal to t. Then what is the derivative? Cos x derivative minus sin x. Minus sin x into dx is equals to dt. That is, sin x into dx is equals to minus dt. Now changing the limits values, that is, what is first limit value? Lower limit is equals to 0. That is, here we have that. So lower limit is equals to 0 means x is equal to 0. What is t value? T is equals to cos x. Now what is x? 0. Substituting 0 here, cos 0. Cos 0 is equal to 1. Now upper limit. What is upper limit value? X is equals to pi here. X is equal to pi Now substituting that x is equal to pi in function t is equal to cos x, then cos pi is equal to minus 1. Therefore now the problem becomes, therefore 2I is equals to pi into integral. Now we have to substitute all these values in this function, that is 0 to pi. Now the 0 to pi becomes 1 to minus 1. Lower limit becomes plus 1, upper limit becomes minus 1. 1 to minus 1, 1 minus cos square x. What is cos x? Cos x is equal to t. 1 minus t square into sin x dx. What is sin x dx value? Minus dt. Minus dt whole by 1 plus cos square x. What is cos square x? T square. And this is equals to pi into integral 1 to minus 1. Just multiply these two values with this minus sign. That is, these two terms becomes t square minus 1. T square minus 1 by t square plus 1 into dt. Just simply we multiply these two values by this minus sign. Then we get t square minus 1 by t square plus 1. So 2I is equals to pi into integral 1 to minus 1. So here in the denominator we have the t square plus 1. To form the same term at the numerator also, we change the numerator as t square plus 1 minus 2. Since in the denominator we have t square plus 1. So to separate the denominator, we have to form the same term in the numerator also. That is, t square minus 1 is equal to t square plus 1 minus 2 by t square plus 1 into dt. And this is equals to pi into integral 1 to minus 1. Separating the denominator, t square plus 1 by t square plus 1 minus 2 by t square plus 1 into dt. And this is equals to pi into integral 1 to minus 1, 1 minus 2 by 1 by t square plus 1. That is 2 into 1 by t square plus 1 into dt. Now taking the integration, 2I is equals to pi into, what is 1 integration? T. 1 dt is equals to t minus 2 into, what is 1 by 1 plus t square integration? Tan inverse t, where the limits are 1 to minus 1. Now substituting the limits values, minus 1, replacing the upper limit minus replacing the lower limit. Minus 2 into, now substituting the limits values, tan inverse of minus 1 minus tan inverse of plus 1. So this is equals to pi into minus 2 minus of minus 2 into tan inverse of minus 1 is equals to minus pi by 4, and tan inverse of 1 is equals to pi by 4. So this is equals to pi into minus 2 into minus pi by 4 is equals to minus pi by 2. And this is equals to pi into minus 2 minus of minus plus pi. Therefore the value of 2I is equals to pi into pi minus 2, which implies I is equals to pi into pi minus 2 by 2. Most important essay question. Now what is I? Therefore I is equals to integral 0 to pi x into sine cube x by 1 plus cos square x into dx is equals to pi into pi minus 2 by 2. The most important essay question. That's all.